Welcome once again to your Health and Vitality channel, your sanctuary for healthy living, where we explore natural ways to enhance your health and well-being. We often indulge in foods that taste amazing and satisfy our cravings, but have you ever wondered how some of these delicious treats might be impacting your health? Today, we'll explore 12 foods that are good or sweet for the mouth, but harmful to the body, and we'll also discuss how to enjoy them in healthier ways. Let's uncover the hidden dangers behind these tempting delights. 1. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks like soda, sweetened teas, and energy drinks are extremely satisfying to our taste buds, but they are packed with high levels of sugar. Excessive sugar intake can lead to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and tooth decay. These drinks also contribute to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to diabetes. Best way to consume. Limit sugary drinks to special occasions and opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a splash of natural fruit juice instead. 2. Candy. Candies, including chocolates and gummies, are a treat for the mouth but a threat to your health. They are loaded with sugar and artificial additives, which can cause weight gain, dental cavities, and increase the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Best way to consume. Enjoy candy in moderation and choose dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, which contains less sugar and offers some health benefits. 3. Pastries and baked goods. Pastries, cakes, and cookies are often high in sugar, refined flour, and unhealthy fats. Regular consumption of these baked goods can lead to weight gain, elevated blood sugar levels, and increased risk of metabolic syndrome and heart disease due to their trans fat content. Best way to consume. Opt for homemade versions using whole grain flours, natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and healthy fats such as coconut oil or olive oil. 4. Ice cream. Ice cream is a beloved dessert, but it's high in sugar and saturated fats. Overindulgence can lead to weight gain, increase bad cholesterol levels, and contribute to insulin resistance and diabetes. Best way to consume. Choose low-sugar or dairy-free options made with natural ingredients or make your own using frozen bananas and other fruits as a base. 5. French fries. French fries are a popular snack and side dish, but they are high in unhealthy trans fats and salt. Eating too many fries can raise your blood pressure, increase bad cholesterol levels, and elevate the risk of heart disease and stroke. Best way to consume. Bake your own fries at home using olive oil and seasoning them with herbs and spices instead of salt. Sweet potato fries are also a healthier alternative. 6. Processed meats. Processed meats such as sausages, bacon, and deli meats are tasty but contain high levels of sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. These substances are linked to an increased risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, and certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Best way to consume. Limit consumption of processed meats and choose fresh, lean cuts of meat. Opt for nitrate-free and low-sodium versions when available. 7. Potato chips. Potato chips are crispy and satisfying, but they are often fried in unhealthy oils and loaded with salt. Consuming chips frequently can lead to weight gain, high blood pressure, and increased risk of heart disease due to their high trans fat content. Best way to consume. Choose baked chips or make your own at home using thinly sliced vegetables like sweet potatoes, beets, or kale, seasoned with herbs and baked until crispy. 8. Fast food. Fast food items like burgers, fried chicken, and pizza are convenient and delicious, but they are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Regular consumption can lead to obesity, heart disease, and other chronic health conditions. Best way to consume. Limit fast food to occasional treats and opt for healthier menu options such as salads, grilled items, and foods with whole grains. Try making healthier versions of your favorite fast foods at home. 9. White bread. White bread is soft and versatile, but it is made from refined flour that lacks essential nutrients and fiber. It can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain and diabetes. Best way to consume. Choose whole grain or whole wheat bread, which contains more fiber and nutrients. Look for bread that lists whole grains as the first ingredient. 10. Margarine. Margarine is often used as a butter substitute, but it contains trans fats, which are harmful to the heart. Regular consumption of margarine can raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Best way to consume. Use healthier fat options like olive oil, avocado, or grass-fed butter in moderation. Look for margarine that is free from trans fats and made with healthy oils. 11. Sweetened breakfast cereals. Sweetened breakfast cereals are convenient and tasty, but they are often high in sugar and low in nutritional value. Eating these cereals regularly can lead to weight gain, dental problems, and increased risk of diabetes. Best way to consume. Choose cereals that are high in fiber and low in sugar. Better yet, opt for oatmeal or make your own muesli with whole grains, nuts, seeds, and fresh fruit. 12. Fruit juices. Fruit juices may seem healthy, but many are loaded with added sugars and lack the fiber found in whole fruits. Drinking too much fruit juice can contribute to weight gain, increase blood sugar levels, and elevate the risk of metabolic syndrome and diabetes. Best way to consume. Limit fruit juice intake and opt for whole fruits instead. If you enjoy juice, choose 100% fruit juice without added sugars and drink it in small quantities. While it's okay to enjoy these foods in moderation, it's important to be aware of their potential health risks and opt for healthier alternatives when possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and insights.